let's take a look at how you can create barcode, right? So to create barcode, we will be making use of apps in Canva, right? So let's pick one of the template, and let's say we have size of Facebook post. Now if I choose apps and if I check barcode, right, so you will get options, right? Simply click on one, then you have multiple choices here. You can check my barcode generator barcodes, right? Here you can see something like this. Now you will have to think of type UPC EN 13, and this one is set to paid, so we'll pick UPC, right? Then we can choose the type of barcode we want. Let's say we add something with, right, and we can modify some of the numbers. Here you see the style, right? After we choose the barcode number, we choose the style. From multiple of such, we will pick this one, right? And we can even get the preview. We can choose between fixed size or vector. Vector being the paid feature, we can't choose that, so we'll choose fixed size, right? Now we can save this in uploads, or you can simply put it in here, right? So one of the paid features is selected. I'm not sure which was the paid feature. Okay, right, so this was the paid feature. Can't save to uploads, we just have to download this, right? So we insert and it looks something like this, right? So if you have product and you want to put this into that, say to some product mockup UI, you can use existing barcodes like this to put it on the product, right? So we made use of app called barcodes to generate this. We made this in Canva.